Good evening everyone. My name is V.Tharakan. My school's name is V.Tharakan International School and I am studying in 3rd standard. Here I am with the Mechanics Black Hawk. I built this myself. So to say about this, I'm going to say about this now. So the Black Hawk's main country is USA, United States of America, and they use it for transportation, for carrying the troops in the army, and they use it recently. So now I'm going to show you the parts of the helicopter. So first we'll go to the body. So I made the body with this huge metal part, and these two blue, do you see these blue colored parts? That's also the part of the body. And now I'll come to the tail. This is the tail, and this is the tail, and this is used for turning right side and the left side. Now this is the steps to climb into the helicopter. Because the helicopter is too high, you can't just climb simply. You need steps. So there are steps in the helicopter. Now I'll come to the landing gears. These two are the landing gears, and at the back only one landing gear, and that's really short. Actually, the back landing gear should be here, but I didn't make the landing gear there because if I put it like if it's landing, it's slightly slanted. So if I put it here, this will touch the ground. So I didn't want the helicopter to touch the ground. So I made the landing gear here, the back landing gear. And now this is the front landing gear. There are three landing gears for this helicopter. 2 on the front and 1 in the back. Now I'll come to the front portion. This is the missile. This is actually the army helicopter. If it's the transportation helicopter, this wouldn't be there. And this is the machine gun. Actually, for a normal helicopter, it's here and here. But for the real Black Hawk, it's here. And the machine gun's here, the missile. Now I'll come to the upper part. This is the ceiling. I didn't put the ceiling here because I didn't have that much parts to build the ceiling of the front part. I could only build the middle part ceiling. Now I'll come to the upper part. This is the rotors, propellers or rotors. There are 4 rotors. So I build one strip and another strip. So and I joined it together and I pinned it into this small part here. That's actually the engine. So I pinned it there so it could fly. It will move. So you just have to make it a little bit loose. Can't really fly, so can propel. The propellers can move so it's actually a bit loose, so it could touch here, could break easily, so I'm just spinning it a bit faster. Yeah, now it's tight. So after spinning it, you should make it a bit tight. Then this part, I should actually make it open. So I'll take the screwdriver. Then I'll put it on the floor because I don't have anywhere to, you see, to put the helicopter on. So this is how it lands. Now I'll open this. So this is the nut and bolt. I'll just keep it here. Now this spins. Now you just have to make it loose. So it will spin. So the back portion also will spin. So both ones spin at one time. So I'm just showing you one by one. So this will spin and this will spin. So for the real actual helicopters, both will spin at the same time. So I'm not doing that. I can't do that because I don't have 3 hands or something. Because okay, so thank you everyone. Subscribe to my channel, and once again, good evening and thank you.